phone umbrella is a clever, portable accessory designed to shield smartphones from direct sunlight, rain, or glare during outdoor use. Made from lightweight, durable materials, it attaches easily to the back or sides of a phone, creating a miniature canopy that protects the screen and improves visibility. This simple yet effective design helps prevent overheating, reduces reflections, and keeps devices safe in unpredictable weather. Engineered for convenience, the phone umbrella often features foldable or clip-on mechanisms, allowing quick setup and compact storage when not in use. Some models include adjustable angles to optimize coverage, ensuring maximum protection whether you're filming, browsing, or navigating outdoors. Its playful design also adds a touch of personality, making it both functional and fun. The scrolling ring remote is a modern wearable device designed to provide effortless control over smartphones, tablets, and smart home gadgets. Shaped like a sleek ring, it features a touch-sensitive scrolling surface that allows users to navigate menus, adjust volume, or flip through content with simple finger movements. Its compact design makes it discreet, yet highly functional, offering convenience without the need to constantly handle a phone or remote. Crafted from lightweight, durable materials, the ring ensures comfort for extended wear while maintaining resilience against daily use. Many models include Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing and long-lasting rechargeable batteries to support hours of operation. Intuitive gestures, such as swiping or tapping, make it easy to control devices while on the go. Whether during presentations, workouts, or casual browsing, the Gigapump is an ultra-compact, portable air pump designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday convenience. Weighing only a few ounces, it fits easily into a pocket or backpack, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or travel. Despite its small size, the Gigapump delivers powerful airflow capable of inflating air mattresses, pool floats, and other gear quickly and efficiently. Engineered with multiple nozzle attachments, it adapts to different valve types, ensuring versatility across a wide range of inflatables. Many models also feature a built-in deflation function, allowing users to pack gear down tightly for easy storage. Powered by a rechargeable battery via USB, it offers hours of operation and eliminates the need for bulky manual pumps. Durable construction ensures reliability even in rugged environments. The USB clock fan is a multifunctional gadget that combines cooling comfort with a digital time display. Designed with a flexible gooseneck and compact fan blades, it plugs directly into any USB port, making it ideal for laptops, desktops, or portable chargers. As the fan spins, LED lights project a digital clock onto the blades, creating a clear and stylish time display that remains visible while the fan operates. Engineered for convenience, the fan provides a gentle breeze to keep users comfortable during work or study sessions. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers or software, ensuring instant use. The adjustable neck allows users to direct airflow exactly where needed, while the energy-efficient build minimizes power consumption. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into bags or backpacks for travel. The ErgoStrike 7 is an innovative ergonomic gaming keyboard designed to deliver both performance and comfort during extended play sessions. Built with mechanical key switches, it ensures fast, precise input while offering tactile feedback that gamers value. Its standout feature is the adjustable ergonomic layout, which allows users to customize angles and wrist positions, reducing strain and enhancing long-term usability. Engineered for versatility, the ErgoStrike 7 includes programmable macro keys, customizable RGB lighting, and dedicated media controls, giving players full control over their setup. The durable construction, often reinforced with aluminum framing, ensures reliability even under intense use. A detachable wrist rest adds extra support, while the modular design makes cleaning and maintenance simple. The Maka GC electric vise is a powerful and efficient tool designed to simplify clamping tasks in workshops, garages, and industrial settings. Built with a robust steel frame and motorized mechanism, it delivers consistent pressure at the push of a button, eliminating the need for manual tightening. This ensures secure, stable holding of workpieces during cutting, drilling, welding, or assembly. Engineered for precision, the electric vise features adjustable jaws and variable clamping force, allowing users to handle materials of different sizes and hardness with ease. Safety is enhanced through anti-slip grips and overload protection, preventing accidents and equipment damage. Compact yet durable, it fits seamlessly on workbenches without occupying excessive space. Many models include remote or foot-pedal controls, offering hands-free operation for added convenience. The LED open sign is a bright and eye-catching display designed to attract customers and signal that a business is ready for service. Made with energy-efficient LED lights, it offers vibrant illumination that is visible both day and night, ensuring maximum visibility from a distance. Its sleek design often features bold lettering and dynamic lighting effects, such as flashing or scrolling modes, to enhance attention. Engineered for practicality, the sign is typically lightweight and easy to mount on windows, doors, or walls. Many models include long-lasting LEDs with low power consumption, making them cost-effective and durable for continuous use. Some versions come with remote controls or adjustable brightness settings, allowing businesses to customize the display to suit different environments. The fancy glasses are stylish, multifunctional eyewear designed to blend fashion with practicality. Crafted from lightweight yet durable frames, they provide comfort for all-day wear while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Their standout feature is the integration of smart technology, often including options like blue light filtering lenses, UV protection, or even augmented reality displays, depending on the model. Engineered for versatility, fancy glasses are suitable for both casual and professional settings. Many designs incorporate adjustable nose pads and flexible temples to ensure a secure fit, while scratch-resistant coatings enhance durability. Some versions also include polarized lenses, reducing glare and improving clarity during outdoor activities. Compact and portable, they can be folded and stored easily without losing shape. The magnetic levitating globe is a fascinating decorative piece that combines science, technology, and art. Using electromagnetic suspension, the globe floats gracefully in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing visual effect that captures attention instantly. Hidden sensors and stabilizers ensure smooth rotation, allowing the globe to spin continuously without physical support. Crafted with precision, the globe often features detailed world maps illuminated by LED lights, making it both educational and stylish. Its compact design fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or office spaces, serving as a conversation starter and a symbol of innovation. The levitation effect not only demonstrates magnetic principles, but also adds a futuristic touch to any environment. The Laser Pecker is a compact, portable laser engraving machine designed for creativity, precision, and convenience. Built with high-quality laser technology, it allows users to engrave detailed designs on a wide range of materials, including wood, leather, plastic, paper, and even certain metals. Its small size and lightweight build make it easy to carry, turning any workspace into a personal engraving studio. Engineered for simplicity, the Laser Pecker often features APU-controlled operation via Bluetooth, enabling users to upload designs directly from smartphones or tablets. Safety is prioritized with protective shields, auto shoot-off functions, and adjustable power settings, ensuring reliable use. Despite its portability, it delivers professional-grade precision, producing crisp lines and intricate patterns. Many models also include plug-and-play functionality, requiring minimal setup. The motion sensor night lights are practical, energy-efficient lighting solutions designed to enhance safety and convenience in homes, offices, or outdoor spaces. Equipped with advanced motion detection technology, they automatically illuminate when movement is detected, providing instant visibility without the need to fumble for switches. This makes them ideal for hallways, staircases, closets, bathrooms, and entryways. Built with LED bulbs, these lights deliver bright yet soft illumination while consuming minimal power, ensuring long-lasting performance and reduced electricity costs. Many models feature adjustable sensitivity, timer settings, and light direction, allowing users to customize brightness and coverage to suit their environment. Compact and easy to install, they often come with adhesive backing or simple mounting options, requiring no complex wiring. The phone stand with speaker is a multifunctional accessory designed to enhance convenience and entertainment. Crafted with a stable, adjustable base, it securely holds smartphones at optimal viewing angles for video calls, streaming, or browsing. Integrated into the stand is a built-in Bluetooth speaker, delivering clear, amplified sound that transforms the phone into a mini entertainment hub. Engineered for portability, many models feature compact, lightweight designs that make them easy to carry for travel, office, or home use. The speaker often includes hands-free calling capabilities, volume controls, and rechargeable batteries, ensuring seamless functionality without clutter. Some versions also support stereo sound or bass enhancement, offering an improved audio experience compared to standard phone speakers. The electric air duster is a powerful, eco-friendly alternative to traditional compressed air cans, designed for cleaning electronics, keyboards, cameras, and other delicate equipment. Built with a high one-speed motor, it produces a strong stream of air that effectively removes dust, dirt, and debris from hard-to-reach areas without moisture or chemicals. Engineered for convenience, many models feature multiple nozzle attachments to target different surfaces and angles, ensuring thorough cleaning. A rechargeable battery or USB power option provides portability, making it suitable for home, office, or travel use. Unlike disposable air cans, the electric air duster is reusable and cost-efficient, reducing waste while delivering consistent performance. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle during extended cleaning sessions. The Artemis bow is a precision-crafted archery tool, inspired by the elegance and strength of its mythological namesake. Designed for both performance and aesthetics, it features a lightweight yet durable frame, often made from carbon fiber or reinforced alloys, ensuring stability and resilience during use. Its ergonomic grip and balanced structure provide comfort and control, allowing archers to maintain accuracy over extended practice or competition sessions. Engineered with advanced limb technology, the Artemis bow delivers smooth draw cycles and consistent power, making it suitable for target shooting and hunting alike. Many models incorporate adjustable components, enabling customization of draw weight and length to match individual preferences. The sleek design often includes modern finishes and detailing, blending tradition with innovation. The minimalist table lamp is a sleek lighting solution designed to complement modern interiors with simplicity and elegance. Featuring a clean, streamlined silhouette, it often uses materials like metal, wood, or frosted glass to achieve a refined aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any decor. Its compact design makes it ideal for desks, bedside tables, or living room accents, providing both functionality and style without clutter. Engineered for efficiency, many models incorporate LED technology, offering bright yet soft illumination while consuming minimal energy. Adjustable brightness settings or touch-sensitive controls add convenience, allowing users to tailor the light to reading, working, or relaxing. The lamp's understated design emphasizes form and function, making it a versatile piece that enhances ambiance without overpowering the space. The FM transmitter Bluetooth is a versatile in-car accessory designed to bring modern wireless connectivity to traditional car stereos. Plugging into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, it allows users to broadcast audio from smartphones via FM radio frequencies, making it compatible with virtually any car system. Equipped with Bluetooth technology, it ensures stable connections for music streaming, podcasts, and hands-free calling, enhancing both entertainment and safety. While driving, many models feature dual USB ports with fast charging capability, enabling drivers to power multiple devices simultaneously. An LED display typically shows frequency, track information, or battery voltage, while intuitive buttons make tuning and control simple. Advanced versions may include noise cancellation technology, ensuring crystal clear calls even in noisy environments. The iLight Pro teleprompter is a professional-grade tool designed to support smooth, confident presentations, video recordings, and live broadcasts. Compact yet powerful, it features a high-definition reflective glass panel that displays scrolling text clearly without appearing on camera, ensuring speakers maintain natural eye contact with their audience. Its adjustable frame accommodates smartphones, tablets, or cameras, making it versatile for different setups. Engineered for convenience, the iLight Pro often includes a remote control or app integration, allowing users to adjust text speed, size, and orientation in real time. The lightweight design makes it portable and easy to assemble, while durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Ideal for content creators, educators, and professionals, it eliminates the need for memorization and reduces errors during delivery.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.